Hey, this is Lionel. How's it going? I want to thank you personally for wanting to find out more information about MyEcon. Before I get into the nuts and bolts of the company and how it works, I want to just kind of tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a network marketer, been in for over 10 years now, and I've been pretty successful in my run of network marketing, and I've helped lots of people also become successful. And that's the biggest thing for me in network marketing, that I always tell people I'm always wanting to make sure that I do help people that get involved and get into business. The more people you help, the more money will come for everyone. So that's an important thing that I've always looked for in companies, and what they could do to help people, and that's what I found in MyEcon. This company has been very, very helpful in helping individuals that have failed in other areas and other companies become very successful, because the products that they offer are products that everyone needs in their life. Products are going to be very helpful for individuals financially. I've done a bunch of different things, like I mentioned, but this particular industry is something that is very, very helpful financially. And the way it's helpful financially is because of the products that they do offer. They have the credit repair. Of course, everyone needs to have their credit done. Everyone needs to have their credit fixed. Everyone needs to have a good credit score. Credit is key. Cash is great if you have it, but if you don't, credit is the next best thing that's out there. There's lots of things that I get and I pay cash for and things like that, but I still am a big believer in having good credit. Okay, so good credit is definitely going to be key for you. They have what's called a income shifting system, where if you are employed, it teaches you how to get more money back on your checks by implementing a few changes here and there to help you so that you will make more money back and have more money coming in monthly for you. There's also Cashback Mall. The Cashback Mall is pretty cool because just like when you go shopping online or you go shopping in stores, what's so cool is when you shop at places that you normally shop anyway, you're going to get back a percentage of what you spend. So that's pretty cool that you get paid to go shopping places that you always shop anyway. So why not take advantage of it? There's travel discounts. You have auto service like AAA, things like that. You have that type of system that's set up as well. All these things are tied into one company, and that's what makes MyEcon so powerful. Now, a lot of people are asking, or may want to know, okay, what does it cost? What's the catch? There's no catch, guys. MyEcon is a one-time fee of $47.90. Okay, one-time fee. Now, I have run across individuals that are like, oh man, $47. But think about it. How many times do you go out to eat and spend money eating out a week? How much will you spend in a week? It's $47. Over $47, $50, $90, however much you spend. Going shopping, going to the club. This is something that you have to think about. One-time fee, $47.90, and then after that it's $34.95 a month. Now, is $34.95 a month worth fixing your credit so that you can be in a better situation financially? Is $34.95 worth it to get back extra money on your check if you are employed? And guys, the money is real. We get paid every week on time, and I'm telling you guys, this is going to be the easiest thing that you have actually done online if you've worked online before. And if you haven't, how many of you know people that are friends, families, whatever, co-workers that need to get their credit fixed? How many people do you know, just on that alone? How many people do you know that would love to get money back when they go shopping online? How many people do you know that travel? These are things that, again, are offered in the system. And again, guys, the money is real. The money is real. This is 1 week's worth of pay for MyEcon. 1 week's worth. And this is only going to get better. It continues to grow. It continues to grow and continues to grow because more people are realizing that this opportunity is something that they are very interested in because it helps them with things that they are normally doing, using, or need in an everyday situation. So, MyEcon is definitely something you want to look at if you're interested in a business that can really help you change your life financially. There's so many people that have got into this thing that have actually been able to quit their 9-to-5 because they've made enough money in this business to where they can say bye to that job. And now they're able to spend more time with their family. They're able to do, go on trips without having to ask anyone. Those things are important. I haven't had to ask permission from a boss to go on a trip, to have time off so I can spend with my family. I haven't had to do that for years. And guys, there's no feeling like being able to do something without getting permission. So, what I'd like you to do now is click on the next link, get signed up. As soon as you get signed up, contact me so I can get you lined in and with our training that we have, and also get you into our support group that we have, where you can actually be in this group with other like-minded individuals like yourself, so that you can see that this business and this company is definitely everything that I say it is, and we support each other 100%. There's so much training that's in the system. There's training that we have locally if you want to look for local training. There's a lot of different things. We do calls every week. We have all kind of things to help you to become successful in this business. So don't hesitate, guys. Again, one-time fee of $47.90, $34.95 a month. That's it. Even if you're not interested in the business side of MyEcon, $34.95 a month is worth getting your credit fixed so that you can be in a better situation when you need to. Credit is key. Credit is king. Everybody wants to have good credit. The question is, are you willing to do what it takes to get that good credit? So, click on the link. Again, get yourself signed up. Reach out to me once you're done so we can go ahead and get you tied in with other people that are making money and getting good credit. All right? Have a good one, guys. We'll see you on the other side.